what people were waiting for. Let's get to that. Everyone wants to talk about this film. Driving license, like average version of Appam. Yes, that's one way to say. Appam Kosham light. Driving license as a whole, the movie didn't work, but for some scenes were really good. Yes, we'll talk about it. Driving license released first, so we can say Appam Kosham is upgraded version of driving license. Okay, talking about driving license, guys. This is what Shah Rukh Khan starrer fan should have been. The way this film is so grounded. I wish Fan was also that grounded. It would have been a great movie, but they ruined it, making it, that Bollywood, I think Hollywood chase sequences in Europe and all of that. I wish they would have, turned it low, but this film did that, and I really liked about this. And I can see the birth of AK happening with this film. Some of the things which happens, Sachi, made it better, and we got AK. I would say it's a really good attempt, but I would have really reviewed the film if it was more than that, but it wasn't, and that's why I'm talking about it here. As someone said in the chat, it was average. Like some things were really good, some things were really not good, and the comedy is very dependent on the language and the references about Malayalam cinema. And I was watching this film on Discord with other viewers, so they were letting me know what was good. So not what was good, they were letting me know the jokes and references in the film about Mammootty, Mohanlal and all of that. So that was really good, but still, if I had watched it alone, I would have not laughed at some of the sequences, but I did because I had people watching with me. So yeah, join Discord for that. Then Prithvi's character, totally one tone. In AK, he's very complicated character, but here it's just one tone. He's like such a good guy, pure guy. He's always like, whenever he has like more dialogues than one line, he's like preaching. He's giving moral science lessons, like how good I am, how good husband I am, how good actor I am. I work for my director, I work for my producer. Like every time he speaks more than 2 seconds, it's like he's giving a preachy statement. That was like, I didn't like that at all. Then even his outrage, what really, like, it was not good enough. Like again, you have set up the character as so good, and just a small things happened with the media coming there, and he just gets so mad and he just shout at people, which is so uncalled for his character. What you have set up, it feels totally out of place, and I wish they would have added more gray shades to him so that scene made more sense. But to me, it didn't make sense at all. And also, he has nothing to learn. If you just look back at the film, it's all about misunderstanding. That's it. That his character didn't go through any arc. Just some misunderstanding happened, and things just kept getting piled up, and that's it. At the end, he's like, oh, he was a good guy. Like that's it, right? He didn't learn. He didn't made a mistake and learn from I should not do this. Maybe I should improve. I should become better. No, it was just it was one-dimensional character, and I understand that they are two good characters, and there was a misconception, and whatever happened is a story. I totally get it, but that is not good enough to tell this whole story. He's an actor. You're just showing him. It's like it's a PR statement. This film is a PR statement for him. That see how Prithvi is such a good actor and he cares about all the people around him and all of that. So makes no sense. I wish they had made him a grey character. Then Suraj was good. He was sincere. Nothing more to him. His wife was just a caricature. Very badly written. She was idiotic. She was made to look idiotic. Just serving, to get the plot ahead, to increase the miscommunication and misconceptions. So totally uncalled for. I didn't like that at all. The writing was really bad for character. Even Prithvi's wife, like, she was just there, just as a plot point, because she's unwell. She has to go to US and just to increase the stakes. That's it. She had no other role. Then I like the fan association angle. How fans just go mad, don't think about what's happening. It's again that bug thing, just blinded by the stardom of the actor or something like that, and just doing anything in the name of that. So I like that. Again, they also showed how media just for the TRP, they manipulate news, they make up news, just sensationalize what we saw last year, what really happened. So that was really good. Then I think for me, I think the first half was really good. I really liked it. At the interval, I even told everyone like I'm really enjoying the film. But after the second half, it just kept going down. With that, I think when that KBC thing started happening in that office where he has to answer all that questions, it just went downhill. I think what I said in the beginning, right, the groundedness, at that point it just lost that groundedness for me. just went downhill. The climax car sequence, where they sit together and talk, and so after all the miscommunications are cleared, that scene really liked it. The emotions really worked for me in that sequence. Yeah, I think there's a dialogue of Prithvi, saying that in my films the third act or the climax is always the issue, and we laughed at it. And I think for me, even this film had that issue. Those are my thoughts on Driving License. Let me go back in the chat what was happening. It's a good theater experience of a festive season with full crowd. It's a Christmas release. That cannot be an excuse, man, for a film. Nah, I don't. That should not be an excuse for a film. Saju Kurup did a good job as comedic relief. Yeah, he was good. What was that scene, Sayed? If you can let me know. This guy insults him more, that guy insults him more, like he keeps saying that word. It was one of the best parts. Yes, he was really good. And I think I didn't get his humor, but people told me what he was doing, so I understood. But I thought they said he's arrogant and short-tempered from his first itself, also through he's arrogant. But yeah, he's not learning anything. I don't see where he was arrogant. He, in that sequence where he said, I'll not take the name of the hospital, and he said that the movie is not, you cannot have ads in the movie. I'm keep repeating the name of the hospital. That's it. Like, that makes sense when he gets angry on that. It's not short-tempered. He makes sense. Like, he doesn't want art to become, a piece of business. That's what he's trying to say, and it totally makes sense. Again, he's trying to be like, oh, I am always all about cinema and art. It's not showing he's a short-tempered guy. Suraj's character was getting owned by Prithviraj for the most part of this film, so it was hard to root for him. Kind of. I think for me, when Suraj's son said, right, why you are not winning and all of that, that really didn't work for me. I think in a way that is also a good way of looking at it, that Suraj also, in that ego clash thing that, my son thinks I'm a loser. He also now I'll also fight back. I understand that point, but it was not needed maybe. But I can understand they wanted both of them to just get mad at the same thing again and again. Suraj, I think the writing for things getting more messier and messier, it was really good. Like AK, right? They know something, he doesn't know something. They think this happened because of him, and it just keeps getting growing, and no one is there to just stop and just talk it out. And I really like that fact. It feels natural. But yeah, that's it. Did you know that Suraj started his acting career as a comedian? It's really amazing to see his transformation into a great character actor. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, the second half was a big letdown. Could have been about better. Yeah, I felt like Driving License was trying to exaggerate a simple issue. Yeah, I think they were just dragging it too much. They could have stopped. So what do you say, Prithviraj or Suraj? Who's better? I don't know. Ultimate Pucham, Saju Kurup. Okay. Ultimate, yeah, that joke, yeah. Ultimate Pucham, yes.